What's up, guys? Mississippi here. All right. Anyways, today we're gonna be cleaning up these, whatever these are called. So it's a little loose. That's okay. Oh, whatever that is. This is loose. Gotta fix that. It's really corroded on the inside. I didn't see that, but I'm not. Cool. So we got most of the tools we already need. Honestly, this is about it. Maybe a Dremel. Got a little kit. Red for negative, black for positive. Got some protectant. Because don't be silly, wrap your willy. Let's get started. Meow. Okay. You know what? We should probably get rid of this fucking coolant line. Screw that thing. This. Six, seven. All right, that's. I stick that to the side. Stay down there. Yeah, good boy. Oh, look up in there. That's fucking nasty. I don't know if you can see that, but that's. Ooh, yummy, yummy. All right. Oh my god. Oh, it's One Directional? One Direction, oh my god, I love you. I love you, One Direction. All right. Boop. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? I'm scared. Oh, spray. All right. Shake, spray, can lightly. Oh, I already sprayed it. It doesn't even fucking matter. Clock or paper. Clock. With the clock. It's clean. It's clean. Wipe. Wow. Alright, now let's see if this thing will work in the center here. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing. Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. It does look a lot better. Surprise, surprise. The tool actually works. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Oh, that one's a little blown out. Oh. Hey, snow. Busting. Click. Noise. Noise.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
Bloop, bloop. Noise. Noise. Time for the battery terminal protection spray. Shake can well. Caught it. Shaked it well.